this is important, really important. It's a little bit of a direction. If you come into Paris from Johannesburg side, you're coming down Water Street and then you find this little turn in the road into Breë. But the important thing on this corner is in style. And today is really important. Please take note about this. If you do visit Paris, come to Install for one main reason only. Morning, Jennifer.
Morning, Saki. How are you today?
Excellent. Very, very important. Can you take us to that book?
Yes,
Thank
follow
you.
me.
You find the book and Install. That's about the only place in Paris that you will be able to find this book. Otherwise, you would have to go on Amazon or some other book distribution point on internet to find this. And this is something that will really make a difference in your life. Strength can be a weakness. And this is written by Joe Viljoen. You know Joe Viljoen.
I know Joe Viljoen.
We in the Vredefort Dome, we all know Joe Viljoen. Joe Viljoen, I would say if it wasn't for the dome, Joe wouldn't have happened. But now that the dome is there and Joe is there, this is something that's going to have an effect all over the world. Take this book, get this book, find this book. If you got to do it on Amazon, do it. Otherwise, come find it here at Install in Paris. Read it and come to knowledge.